Okay, class. Good morning. So our lesson for today will be writing equations of a line. So this is just a continuation on finding the slope. So this time you're going to find the equations. So using there are different methods on how to write equations of a linear equations. So we are going to discuss first slope intercept form. Now, the slope intercept form is you have y equals mx plus b, where m is your slope and b is your y intercept. Okay, so we have an example. If you have a slope given which is equal to -4 and your y intercept is b is equal to -2, what will be the equation of the line? So therefore, we have to copy the slope intercept form or the y form, and you are going to substitute the slope which refers to your m. Your m is -4, then you copy the variable x. Then since your b is -2, we have here to write here -2, and this is now your y. So this is now your equation in the y form. So we are going to change this to the standard form. How do we change this to standard form? Okay, so the standard form is ax plus by is equal to c. So therefore, since we have here -4x minus 2, you will just transpose -4. That becomes 4x plus y is equal to -2. And this is now the equation in the standard form. Okay, so next, another example, given the slope is equal to m is equal to 3 and the slope is equal to 7. So therefore, again, the first step is to write the y form, and we just substitute 3x minus 7. So this is your equation. Therefore, in the standard form, we have y, so -3x plus y is equal to -7. Okay, so this is the easiest way how to find the slope, or rather the um, equation. Another example, if m is equal to 2/5 and your b is equal to -8. Again, we have to write mx plus b and then just substitute 2/5 x minus 8. What about this one? How do you change to standard form? Substitute, or rather transpose, -2/5 x plus y is equal to -8. Since in the standard form there are no denominator, we will just multiply all the equation by 5 in order to remove. So 5 divided by 5 is now 2x. 1 times -2x plus 5 times y is equal to 5y equals -8 times 5 is equal to -40. So this is now your standard form. Okay, So next, so next, okay, number, what number are we now? So previous number 3, so number 4. Okay, number 4. If you have m, okay, so we try number of m is equal to negative 6, b is equal to 4, then number 5, m is equal to 3/4, then b is equal to negative 3. So we have y equals to negative 6x plus 4. Then, standard form, we have 6x plus y equals 4. And this example number 3/4x minus 3. So we have now negative 3/4 x plus y is equal to negative 3. Since we have here negative 4, so we have negative 4, multiply this by 4. We have here negative 3. 4 divided by 4, we have now 1 times 3, negative 3x plus multiply for 4y equals multiply negative 12. So this is now in the standard form. Okay, so that is the slope intercept form. Then we have another method, which is the point. So we have now the point slope form, okay, of a line. Okay, so the equation of the line passing through x sub 1, y sub 1 with the slope, since we have here the point, so this refers to your first x and y. And we have here the slope given, which is now your m. So therefore, the point slope form given your equation y sub 1, y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times x minus x sub 1. Okay? Example. Number 1. Find the equation of the line that passes through. So we have here, we have a point and with slope 4. So given your point is 5 and 8, your slope is equal to 4. So this is your x and this is now your y. Y sub 1, y sub 1. So therefore, your equation now would be y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times x minus x sub 1. This should be your equation using the point slope form. Okay, so we continue. So we have y minus y sub 1 is equal to the slope times x minus x sub 1. So if you're given your point is 5 and 8 and with a slope of equal to 4. So we will just substitute y minus your y sub 1 is 8. Your slope is 4 times x minus 5. So y minus 8 is equal to distribute 4x minus 4 times negative 5 is negative 20. So therefore, combined similar terms. So we have here transpose 4x. This now becomes, so we have y is equal to 4x minus 20. Then transpose negative 8. That becomes positive. Y equals to 4x. Negative 20 plus 8 is negative 12. So therefore, this is now your equation in the y form. Okay? That is now the equation given the slope, given a point and a slope. And what is this in the standard form? So therefore, in the standard form, we have negative 4x plus y equals negative 12. Okay? So next. So example number 2, using a point slope form. So given so we have here another, given a point 3, 4, and parallel, you have here parallel to y minus 3x equals 6. Okay, so how do we write the equation of that given example? Okay, so since we have here x, this is your x, this is your x, and this is your y. Okay, so find the slope of, we have here y, so this is your solution. First, we have to find the slope of y minus 3x equals 6. So y is equal to 3x plus 6. So therefore, here the slope is equal to 3. Okay, because we have here parallel to this equation. Since the slope is parallel lines, so parallel lines, we have parallel lines. So we have here now the characteristics of a line. So they are equal. So therefore, slope are equal. No? So therefore, we have now to write the equation y minus y sub 1 equals to m times x minus x sub 1. So substituting y minus, we have here your y, here we have 4. Your slope is equal to 3 times x minus 3. So therefore y minus 4. So multiply 3x minus 9. So y is equal to 3x minus 9 plus 4. Because we transpose, so y equals to 3x minus 5. Okay? So therefore, we have here the equation. Okay? That is how to get the, okay. Then, another example. So we have another example. Number 3. Find, find the equation that contains, okay, contains the point 3/4 and a perpendicular, okay, to 5x minus 2y equals 8. Okay, so we have now the solution. So we have here now the perpendicular. Okay, so how do we get the solution if the point is perpendicular to the given equation? So we have here the solution. So to get the slope of m of the required line, we get the negative reciprocal. So now take note, we have to get the negative reciprocal. Okay, the negative reciprocal of the slope of 5x minus 2y equals 8. So to get the slope, we have here negative 2y is equal to transpose negative 5x plus 8. So we divide both equations by negative 2. So we have y is equal to 5 halves x minus 4. Okay? So therefore, hence the slope requires the negative reciprocal of m. So therefore, the negative reciprocal is negative 2/5 because it is perpendicular. So therefore, if we have now the slope negative 2/5, we are going to replace by m by negative 2/5. Then we have here x equals 3, then y sub 1 equals 4. So using now the equation, y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. So using this equation, y minus y sub 1 equals to m times x minus x sub 1. So we substitute the value of your y, which is equal now to your y is hy negative 4 or positive. Your slope is negative 2/5 times x minus 3. Okay, because of the point 3/4. And therefore, we solve this algebraically. Negative 4. Sorry class, so it should be y. Yeah, y is equal to, here y minus 4 equals, multiply this, negative 2x over 5, negative times negative, positive 2 times 3, 6 over 5. Since we have here 5, you're going to multiply this both by 5. Okay, multiply 5y minus 20 equals, so cancel na cancel, negative 2x plus 6. So, therefore, 2x plus 5y is equal to 6 plus 20. And this is now in the standard form, equals 26. Okay, hence, the equation is 2x plus 5y equals 26. Okay, sige. So, please try. Okay, try me. So, find the slope, find the equation of the line that A passes through 4, 7, and with a slope equal to 5. Then letter B contains the point 4, 5 and parallel to y minus 4x equals 8. And letter C, a point that contains 4, 5, 4, 5 and perpendicular to 3x minus 4y equals 12. So, that will be your practice. Okay, so by next meeting, we have to answer that. And for the meantime, we have another solution. Okay, so we have another equation. This one. Okay, so another. That is primary. Okay. Then another trimmy. Balik natin. Okay. This is using the slope intercept form. Okay. Try this one. Find the equation of the line using the slope intercept form 1. At the slope 5, negative 2, you. 2/3 your m is -4, -3. Okay. So this is not point so 4. This is is nothing. Point slope 4. This is point. Okay. Okay, so you answer this one for your practice. So next meeting we will discuss and you are going to show your solutions. This will be your assignment, okay? So that be where is that? Okay, so ito tayo.